Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a different kind of video. I know it's been some time since I posted, and with a hand on my heart, I do have to confess then I do sometimes struggle with motivation, with anxiety, and with kind of lack of passion for what I am usually passionate about. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. You know, being winter, it is sometimes very hard to, get yourself to get out and do something in the garden. Just being winter, it doesn't mean that there's nothing to do out there. If so, it is the preparation, the anticipation to the growing season that keeps us going. And that's what keeps me going. So I've been working on something that I use as a tool, especially in these days, but it is a calendar, and it is basically designed to help you throughout the year. It is a gardening calendar. That's what it looks like. And if you open it, it's obviously branded, so LUSHSPACES Gardening Planner 2024. And if you go through, you basically have tasks of things to do throughout the year. So how I designed it is that I did put a question on one side and then an answer on the other one. And these are questions that I either get throughout a year, people asking me gardening related questions, garden design related questions, but these are mostly about gardening. So you have a question and an answer on the other side. Sometimes the answer is more brief, sometimes it's a bit more elaborate. It's depending on the task. So this is really helpful, at least to me, when I'm struggling and I do get overwhelmed by the gardening task. Sometimes I have a list of things to do, but because I'm struggling to kind of prioritize, I do struggle with analysis paralysis, and I end up doing nothing. Just because I get too tired of the choice of what I should be doing or what I want to be doing. And yeah, sometimes I just take it easy and don't do anything. So as I said, this is designed so you pretty much have a task for 2 days. And obviously you won't find all of them helpful, because not all of them will be, suitable to your garden and to your needs. But you can skip, or if you don't feel like doing anything particularly on that day and you want to do other tasks, you can skip a couple of days and then you come back to it when you feel like it. And as I said, this is a tool that is really helpful to me. So I've been using it. You have space for notes if you wanted to. For example, if you are sowing a seed, you can put the dates and how you sown the seeds, and then you can come back and make yourself notes of the progress of germination, when it started to bloom, things like that. Or you can just use it as a daily planner. So this can be your one-to-go planner throughout the whole year. And that's how I'm using it, basically. This is a new one. I'm not going to show you all of my notes. Mine is very, very used and scribbled on. But yeah, it is quite simple. I didn't want anything else to go in there rather than just a task and space for all of your notes. Whether it's, appointments that you have to go to, important dates, either for, gardening tasks or your personal ones like birthdays, anniversaries, things like that. As I said, this is my go-to planner. I didn't want to have, you know, 3 different planners for different things, so that's why I kept it as it is. And the best thing is, I know now being February, you usually get your planners or calendars at the end of the year for next year or at the beginning of year, so you can use it up. But the beauty of this is that you have it binded like this, and you can just start in any month, any day that you want, and kind of work from there. Let me just quickly show you what it looks like. So you have question, answer, and a lot of space for your notes. As you can see, sometimes a bit bigger, sometimes it's just a quick answer, like that. And yeah, to be perfectly honest, I made this for myself as a tool, as a little helper, as I was trying to figure out how to get myself motivated and doing stuff, and you know, get through the overwhelm of the tasks, as I mentioned earlier. So this will be up for sale as well. There will be a couple of different colors of the actual cover of the binder. There is a magnet here, there is obviously space for pen, and then in the front you have a lot of spaces if you wanted to carry it around for cards, you know, credit cards, any notes in there, and the same for the back. There are pockets in here, so it's very, very useful. It is A5 size, which is just perfect. I hate having A4 size planners or notepads to carry around because it's just too big. So this is very handy, and it looks and feels quite luxurious. So I'm very proud of this. So yeah, as I said, there will be a few different colors to choose from, and you can then just choose your inserts from wherever you want to start. So if you want to start from January and have everything onwards, you can do that, and you'll just get the full year printed out all in here. Or you can just start whenever you want to, and obviously the price will reflect that. So this is kind of an early video. I haven't put it up on my website yet, so if you are interested, please get back to me. You can either leave me a comment in this video and I'll get back to you, or you can also find me either through my website on www.lushspaces.co.uk, and you can contact me through there, or on social media on LUSHSPACES Garden Design on Instagram, or LUSHSPACES, or under my name Lucia Bukova on Facebook. Yeah, so I think that's about it. I am very, very happy. I hope you are guys happy with me. I know I'm not showing you any gardens or plants now, and I know it can be a bit salesy, but I really, really hope that this is very helpful, not just for me, but anyone who is gardening, anyone who is struggling with things that I struggle with. And it's not about the experience or even, you know, of being smart or organized. A good planner is always very helpful, and as I said, you can use it for anything on top of your gardening. So yeah, that's my news. I hope you are guys all really well. I will see you soon with another gardening video. It is soon time for sowing seeds. So I will be sowing seeds for sweet peas and for snapdragons or antherinum very soon, and obviously will take you on that journey with me. So take care of yourselves, have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, don't forget to leave me a comment, and yeah, contact me if you are interested in the gardening planner as well. Thank you, take care, bye bye.